Promoting digital products requires a blend of targeted marketing strategies and compelling content to attract and engage your audience. Define your audience. Understand your target market's preferences, needs, and pain points. Tailor your digital product to address these specific demands. Create compelling content. Develop high-quality content that highlights the benefits and unique value proposition of your digital product. Use engaging visuals, demos, tutorials, and customer testimonials. Leverage content marketing. Share valuable content related to your product on blogs, social media, podcasts, or YouTube. Offer insights, tips, or snippets to demonstrate expertise and draw attention to your product. Email marketing. Build an email list and nurture subscribers with newsletters, exclusive offers, or freebies related to your digital product. Use persuasive copywriting and targeted campaigns. Collaborate and partner. Collaborate with influencers, guest blog, or seek joint ventures with complementary brands to reach wider audiences and gain credibility. Offer free trials or samples. Provide limited time free trials, demos, or downloadable samples to give users a taste of your product's value. Optimize SEO and paid ads. Use search engine optimization techniques to rank higher in searches. Utilize paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads or social media to target specific demographics. Engage and follow up. Engage with potential customers, answer inquiries, and follow up on leads. Encourage feedback and continuously improve based on customer input.